Have you ever wondered how one of Europe's most trusted currencies is created? Welcome to the fascinating world of the Danish Krone, Denmark's official currency and a symbol of precision, security, and Scandinavian craftsmanship. Although Denmark is a member of the European Union, it chose to keep its own national currency instead of adopting the euro. The Danish krone has remained in circulation for well over a century and continues to play a vital role in one of the world's strongest and most stable economies. Every Danish banknote begins with advanced polymer substrate designed to withstand years of daily use. Unlike ordinary paper, polymer banknotes are highly durable, resistant to moisture, and far more difficult to counterfeit. Their transparent windows, intricate microprinting, precision engraving, and sophisticated security features make each note a remarkable achievement of modern engineering.
Welcome to Denmark, where remarkable precision transforms advanced polymer materials into secure Danish krone banknotes.
Denmark's highly secure currency production environment. Every step follows strict quality standards. Skilled technicians carefully prepare specialized security inks before precision offset printing applies vibrant background colors. Powerful intaglio presses then create raised tactile printing that can be felt with your fingertips, providing both authenticity and accessibility. Each banknote receives a unique serial number, followed by multiple automated and manual inspections using advanced optical scanning systems that can detect even the smallest imperfection.
Packaging clear, the surface texture looks perfect.
Confirmed. Data matches specification sheet.
Denmark's coins are manufactured with the same dedication to precision. High-pressure minting presses strike every coin with sharp details and durable finishes designed to withstand millions of everyday transactions. Every finished coin and banknote is counted, inspected, packaged, and securely stored before entering Denmark's financial system. One remarkable fact is that the Danish krone is closely linked to the euro through the European exchange rate mechanism, allowing its value to remain exceptionally stable while Denmark continues using its own national currency. This balance provides monetary independence while maintaining confidence in international trade and financial markets. From advanced security technology to meticulous craftsmanship, every Danish krone reflects decades of innovation, precision engineering, and public trust. Before reaching banks, businesses, and millions of people across Denmark, every note and coin completes an extraordinary journey through one of Europe's most secure and carefully controlled currency production systems. It is far more than money. It is a masterpiece of technology, security, and Danish excellence.
Manifest confirms 20 containers. All secure. Please sign here.